I'm here to present an in-town residential real estate development concept. It has the right demographic timing, it's a great investment, and a perfect location. I am Elizabeth Kelly. I opened my company, Sanctuary Interiors, in 2010 after 25 years in interior design and renovations. My mission is to show how design can positively transform lives by helping clients attain functionally supportive, rejuvenating environments with the end results of greater productivity and well-being. I also share with clients how evidence-based design healthcare research proves that stress and sensory variables do impact your health. My niche is design for enjoyment of life and longevity. I support active aging through design accommodations for enabling, inspiring spaces. A few years ago, I realized my passion truly is in helping others achieve a better quality of life. I imagined creating a better senior lifestyle since my town is a popular retirement destination. With the current aging system in the U.S., people work hard and when they retire, downsize, perhaps several times, gradually becoming more and more isolated. Our elders deserve respect, dignity, and an enjoyable lifestyle for their lifetime of service. There is a way for those who are able to live independently to have opportunities with the convenience of in-town living to continue to enjoy full lives. This investment opportunity is a better retirement residence model for those within small-town communities, which proves good design can add years of quality, value, and sustenance to life, save the resident on cost, and create revenue for investors. I am seeking private angel investment for this, and with several Maryland renovation tax credits available, renovating an existing structure is the most attractive means to achieve the objective. The objective is to create an in-town, multi-unit residence to meet increasing downsizing and independent senior living needs, and further revitalize the historic downtown area. Multifamily, multi-level housing, whether rented or owned, offers numerous advantages as a form of retirement housing, both from a convenience and an accessibility standpoint. By offering universal design features and enhancing products and finishes, it will further appeal to the market of a mature resident wanting a better quality of life. The residence has the value-added potential of one-of-a-kind amenities, new apartments with innovative technology features designed to increase the longevity of independence. It offers investors the opportunity to achieve greater revenue based on the strategic appeal. The target client is someone over the age of 60 who wants to live in town, simplify life, stay independent at a reasonable cost for as long as possible, who will seek out this lifestyle as priority. The location benefits are the in-town location, the Main Street, Maryland Historic Designation, ranking in the top 10 historic small towns of America, and a new planned hospital. The building will be a garden style, 4 stories with 40 units, 900 square feet per 2-bedroom unit with parking. Monthly revenue would be around $120,000 or $3,000 per unit. There is no other comparable facility locally. Indirect competition is the retirement communities bordering the town, which do not offer the personal freedom this residence would bring. The comprehensive town plan has noted that apartments are underrepresented in the community. The need for safe, desirable senior housing is growing exponentially on a daily basis. The in-town housing would be a bonus feature, along with walking distance, convenient access to town social amenities of dining, the arts, entertainment, and cultural activities. Additional features include accessible, visitable residences. Architecturally, this building would relate to the other town buildings. The units consist of comfortable, upscale living space, 2 bedrooms, 1 bath floor plans, innovative upgrades, space-saving, energy-efficient, passive safety, active security features, and effective property management. There will be a green roof garden, a terrace, an entertainment space on site, an inviting, well-designed lobby lounge area to encourage social interaction among the residents. The residence is the most comprehensive offering in the area. There is a demographic demand, a thriving apartment market, very few units available, and a growing aging population who will continue to downsize and will seek quality, low maintenance, and independent places to live. If we build it, they will come. My name is Elizabeth Kelly, and I am with Sanctuary Interiors. I have a website. It's sanctuaryinteriorsllc.com, and I can be reached through that.